Hi, Norman Hallett here with your next 4-minute drill for traders. It's May already, and the month of May is famous for a couple of major seasonal tendencies. So here are a couple of things that I'm watching. The first thing I watch in May is for the stock market, well, to show some weakness, some give. There's an old expression, sell in May and go away. Now, although studies do show there's a softness in stock market returns from May to October, what makes this phenomenon real and something worth paying attention to are really two specific things. One, that it's an old expression and people believe in it. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy, which results in some jitteriness on any negative news. And two, as a 2013 study published in the Financial Analyst Journal stated, quote, a preponderance of major economic and/or political events that negatively impact world equity prices have occurred during the May-October period. Maybe it's because it's warm in the northern hemisphere at that time, but for whatever reason, it's this second point that has me looking for down moves in the stock market. Now, I, of course, need technical confirmation for any trade I enter, and you should too, but I do tend to look for good short trades during May and beyond. And the other seasonal I look for at this time of year is in the grains. Everyone knows that the summer droughts can lead to higher prices, but the markets really start making predictions about those summer droughts very early. In fact, this year, grains have already started to move dramatically since February to the upside, but that doesn't mean they can't move even higher like they did a few years ago. So I have my eye on corn, wheat, and soybeans at this time of the year too for those reasons. The whole sell in May and go away is tendency. Real or not, from year to year, it is real in the trader's head. So for me, that makes it real. I see it really as just another factor to consider when I'm looking to put wind behind my back when I trade. You need as many edges as you can in today's trading markets, but don't jump the gun on these tendencies. Do what I do. If I get a signal for a short trade in the S&P and it's a strong technical signal, maybe I'll put on 5 positions instead of 4. Just a little bit more to honor the expression. Okay, what about you? Do you pay any attention to these kinds of sayings? Do you sometimes honor them? Do you pay no attention to them? Sometimes you don't honor them. What's your take on this? Leave a comment. Let's hear your take. Okay, that's it for this edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. Hope you don't go away, even though it's May. So, until next week, stay disciplined.